Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will discuss how to index and slice tuple objects in Python. So let's start this amazing video. So firstly, I will create a tuple object. So creating a tuple. In Python, creating a tuple is a straightforward process. So we have to specify a variable. Say variable name is my tuple, and using round brackets we can create a tuple in Python. So we have to specify our elements we are going to store inside this tuple. Say I want to store 3, then 6, then 2, then 1, then 8, then 10, and we can print it. Say my tuple. Also we can print its type to confirm. So I'll be using a function type along with my tuple. So you can see that our tuple object is ready, it is created, and I have also confirmed the data type, which is tuple. So we have to index and slice tuples. So tuple is a sequence. Basically it is an iterable in Python. Sequence means tuple is an ordered collection. So when Python will create a tuple, Python will also create two indices. One is the positive and the other one is negative. So using both kinds of indices, whether it's positive or negative, we can index and slice. So firstly, I will take positive index to perform indexing and slicing. So I am performing indexing a tuple object. Using positive indexing. Indexing is a process where we try to access or extract a single element at a time. So from this tuple I want to extract, say I want to extract 6. So the index position of 6 is 3 is placed as 0, 6 is placed as at 1, 2 is placed at 3, and so on and so on. So if we have to extract 6, then the index position would be 1. So extracting 6. So we have to specify our tuple and we have to use square brackets. Inside square brackets we have to specify the index of that particular element, and in this case the index of element 6 is 1, and you can execute it. So you can see that we are successfully able to extract one of the elements from tuple, that is 6, using indexing. Same way we can access or extract more than one element or range of elements using slicing. So slicing a tuple object using positive indexing. Say my tuple is the reference of tuple in which I want to perform the slicing. So I'll be writing range to extract a range of elements. So range means I have to specify start as well as stop. So for example, I want to extract, for example I want to extract 3, 6 and 2, 3, 6 and 2 elements. So I will write the starting position is 0 itself, and we have to move to 3 more positions. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is how we can extract first 3 elements from a tuple using positive indexing. We can also extract elements from middle. Say for example, I want to extract 2 and 1 now. So extract 2 and 1. So we have to find out the index position of 2 in the tuple. So 0, 1, 2. So index position of 2 is 2 itself. So we have to start with 2 and we have to move on 2 more elements from the position 2. So 2, 3, 4, right. So the starting index is 2 and the ending index or the stop value is 4. In Python, the stop value will be excluded, so it will extract two elements at the position 2 and 3. So you can see that we are successfully able to extract 2 and 1 from my tuple. Thank you very much.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.